Hello, everyone. Today, let's have a reading practice using simple sentences about the animals. Are you ready? Let's dive in.
Lion. Roar. In savannah. Let's read it again. Lion roar in savannah. Elephants are trumpeting loudly together. Elephants are trumpeting loudly together. Dolphins swim gracefully, leaping. Let's read it again. Dolphins swim gracefully, leaping. Giraffes have long necks. Let's read it again. Giraffes have long necks. Tigers prowl through jungles. Let's read it again. Tigers prowl through jungles. Penguins waddle on ice. Let's read it again. Penguins waddle on ice. Monkeys swing from trees. Let's read it again. Monkeys swing from trees. Owls hoot at night. Let's read it again. Owls hoot at night. Kangaroos hop across deserts. Let's read it again. Kangaroos hop across deserts. Polar bears roam the Arctic. Polar bears roam the Arctic. Zebras have stripes everywhere. Let's read it again. Zebras have stripes everywhere. Butterflies flutter with Grace. Let's read it again. Butterflies flutter with grace. Crocodiles lurk in the water. Crocodiles lurk in the water. Frogs leap into ponds. Let's read it again. Frogs leap into ponds. Whales are enormous creatures. Let's read it again. Whales are enormous creatures. Cheetahs sprint after prey. Let's read it again. Cheetahs sprint after prey. Koalas cuddle in trees. Let's read it again. Koalas cuddle in trees. Pandas eat bamboo shoots. Let's read it again. Pandas eat bamboo shoots. Snakes slither in grass. Let's read it again. Snakes slither in grass. Seagulls soar in the Let's sky. Read it again. Seagulls soar in the sky. Gorillas are strong creatures. Let's read it again. Gorillas are strong creatures. Flamingos stand on one leg. Flamingos stand on one leg. Rhinoceroses have thick skin. Let's read it again. Rhinoceroses have thick skin. Bald eagles High. Let's read it again. Bald eagles soar high. Octopuses have many arms. Let's read it again. Octopuses have many arms. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.